Vic Meyer at a very legendary location, Silver Lake, California, at the Silver Lake Resort. And legend has it, this is where Woody Woodpecker was created. At the Silver Lake Resort in June Lake, at the June Lake Loop in California. It's not as confusing as it sounds.
Walter Lantz, an American cartoonist, animator, producer, and director, best known for founding Walter Lantz Productions and creating Woody Woodpecker. On November 25th, 1940, Lantz married actress Grace Stafford. According to Lantz himself, he came up with the character during their honeymoon to Silver Lake. He and his new bride became annoyed with the constant pecking of a woodpecker on their roof. Grace suggested to her husband that he use the annoying bird for inspiration, and thus Woody Woodpecker was born. In 1950, Lantz held anonymous auditions for the voice of Woody Woodpecker. Grace, Lantz's wife, offered to do Woody's voice. Lantz turned her down because Woody was a male character. Undeterred, Grace submitted her own audition tape anonymously and eventually becoming the voice of Woody Woodpecker. Grace supplied Woody's voice until the end of production in 1972. Moreover, the Lantzes fell in love with the area, eventually buying their own cabin on Silver Lake. They also helped build the library in June Lake and also a ball field in Levine, California.
That was fun kicking it around Silver Lake. Hung out here quite a few times. I love breakfast and lunch at this cafe. It is one of the most amazing little cafes anywhere in any hidden little spot. And I'll be back for sure to enjoy their tuna melt. But in the meantime, hope you enjoyed the video. Learned something. I didn't even know. Woody Woodpecker? Damn.
This has been the Vic Meyer Show and the origins of Woody Woodpecker. Thank you for watching. Please stay tuned.